Today we'll be making fried prawns. This is gonna be a really simple dish. First up, we need to marinate these prawns. So I'm using blue prawns. I'll just add salt to it and black pepper, so 1 teaspoon of each. Stir it. Now let it just marinate for about 30 minutes. You don't want to cook it immediately, so let it really marinate first. After 30 minutes, we can cook it. So add butter to your pan. I'm using 1 tablespoon of butter. And just make sure all the prawns have a little butter on it so that it's nice and crispy. So this is after roughly around 2 minutes. You can see that the prawns are starting to become pink. So prawns turning pink means that it is cooked. So I'm just flipping over the ones which are not cooked yet so that it is nicely cooked, all of it. These blue prawns are really nice. This is my first time actually experimenting with blue prawns, and the smell, it's magical. So about 6 minutes later, this is how the prawns look. All well cooked, and you can dish it out. And that is it. This is fried prawns made at home. Really simple, really easy. You have to try it. Thanks for watching, and if you liked it, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.